group work or class? Pairs. Great. Okay, we'll do pairs. So go ahead and do one group of 2 and one group of 3. And then, let's see here. You can choose, how about do at least number 4 with your partner and either 2 or 3. Okay? So number 4 is when you actually include step 1, okay? And then I'm going to go ahead and check to see if we're doing it all correctly. But go ahead and discuss with your partner. Emily, go ahead and decide what group, either one. And come talk with each other and compare with the list.
So we do number 4 first.
Either one. If you need more practice with the other ones, you do 2 or 3 first, but definitely do number 4.
Okay. One description.
Do you want to create? Are we doing 5?
Sally was number 4.
Do 4, like 2, 3, or 4, but definitely 4 at some point. Try to do 2. 2 of them, I mean. Do you guys need some help starting? So when you're creating your own, so when you're creating your own description, when you're creating your own description, make sure that you do the first step. So the first step is the he was fat. So the simple description to know what you're talking about, okay? If you guys want, you can go to the number 2 or 3 though.
Okay. So, a metaphor.
Favorite chocolate. He's finished. That works with a burger.
2 doves.
Let's see here. Not quite as much. How about you guys focus on number 2 or 3 instead? Wow. Either one of these, because you're going to create your own anyway. So do either one of these 2. How about?
He was fast.
He was fast? Sure. Yeah.
In love.
So remember, so the first step's already done, and now this time we're gonna do. You guys are gonna come up with a list of what can be substituted with fast, or something that's fast as well.
Car. What if we used 2 people's words?
They did. The only thing I could think of is Jack and Rose from Titanic.
Oh,
That's or Romeo too.
that's
Yeah. Oh. They were 2 doves in love.
Yeah. And if you already did one, go ahead and go work on another one. Any of so let's go back together real quick. I saw some great stuff. So can I get one of you guys on this group and one of you guys on this group to share either one of your similes or one of your metaphors and show what you're most proud of, because you guys all did such great work.
Oh. We liked our simile. We did number 2, and we did he was as fast as a hare.
Good. Good. Yeah, because hares are really fast. Does everyone know what a hare is? It's a bunny, right? Like a really fast bunny. Awesome. Good. And she used as fast as. Good job. And someone from this group?
We did a metaphor, and it was he was lightning.
He was lightning. Good.
We also did, there were 2 doves in the.
I did see that one. That one was so cute. Those were all so good, you guys. Okay, so now finally, I want you guys to do individual work. Choose any of the ones that you haven't done yet. I want you to think of it by yourself. If you want to challenge yourself, you can do number 7, which is kind of harder, but we don't have as much time for that one, so it's okay if you don't want to do that one. You can do any of them. But remember the steps. I want to see your comparisons, the list and everything, and then we'll talk about it after. So we all have a couple minutes to do that. So I can see your thinking, because I can tell those were really good ones and they both are tall. So thank you. Good. Okay, so that's all the time that we have right now. I hope it's okay if you didn't finish both the metaphor and a simile. I hope you guys, it looked like almost everyone, for the most part, wrote at least one of them down. So now I want you to actually hand your paper one to the right, and then we're going to share. I want you to read it really quick, and I'm going to call on some of you guys, or actually I want you guys to volunteer. If you see one that you really like, you think it's so good, I want you to read it for the class, for that person. Emily, does that person have one?
Yeah, he is a giraffe.
Good.
Like he's tall.
Good. Giraffes are very tall. That's a good one. Good metaphor. Let's see here. Anita, do you have one on that paper? A good one that you like?
She was white as snow.
Good. Oh yeah, like the Disney princess Snow White. Isn't that so cool? I like that. Lou, do you have one on that paper that you like?
As a simile, she said he was like a prince.
Like a prince? And what was the simple description?
He's handsome.
Yeah, prince. The prince is always supposed to be very handsome, right? Like that's what we identify prince with handsome. I like it. Does anyone else want to share one that they like? Okay, well they were all so good. You can go ahead and hand that back to the person. You can hand it back to the person. Go ahead and hand it to the left. And I hope you guys all work on similes and metaphors in your spare time and improve your writing. But you guys did such a great job. So thank you guys. You are excused.